Ever looked up at the moon and wondered if you could somehow change its orbit, its phases, maybe even its color? Sounds like the stuff of science fiction, right? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the realm of the impossible, or at least the highly improbable. How do we change a lunar plan? Let's start with the basics. The moon, our celestial neighbor, is held in its orbit by Earth's gravity. It's a delicate balance, a cosmic dance that has been going on for billions of years. To alter this, we'd essentially have to counteract the gravitational pull of an entire planet. Easier said than done. Imagine trying to change the path of a speeding bullet with a feather. That's kind of the scale we're talking about here. But let's say we had some kind of super advanced technology, something straight out of a sci-fi novel. What then? One theoretical approach might involve using a massive propulsion system. We'd attach this to the moon, and with incredible force, try to push it in a new direction. But even if we could generate enough thrust, there's the small matter of where to point it. The moon orbits Earth at about 2,260 miles per hour. Any miscalculation in direction or force could send it careening off into space, or worse, straight towards us. Another idea, though equally far-fetched, is to use a series of nuclear explosions. The force of these blasts could potentially alter the moon's trajectory. But let's not forget the fallout. Not just the radioactive kind, but the geopolitical implications. Every nation on Earth would have a say in this, and trust me, it wouldn't be a peaceful conversation. Then there's the matter of time. Even with the most advanced technology imaginable, changing the moon's orbit would be a project spanning centuries, if not millennia. It's a long-term commitment, to say the least. And let's not overlook the potential consequences. The moon stabilizes Earth's tilt, influencing our climate and seasons. Messing with it could have unpredictable effects on our planet. So, can we change the lunar plan? Technically, perhaps. But practically? Almost certainly not. The moon is a massive celestial body, held in place by immense forces. To alter its course is beyond our current capabilities, and potentially beyond the scope of our species altogether. But hey, dreaming is free, right? So let your imagination run wild. Maybe one day, our descendants will look back at this video and laugh at our primitive understanding of space. Or maybe they'll be grappling with the same impossible challenges, just with even more advanced technology. Either way, it's a fascinating topic to ponder. And who knows, maybe one day we'll discover a loophole in the laws of physics that makes it all possible. Until then, let's appreciate the moon for what it is, a constant, beautiful, and incredibly complex celestial body. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.